Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to see how many words in Google Docs. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step all the things so you will learn something new. So friend, let's get started. First we are going to open Google Chrome. And now we are going to create a new Google Doc, okay? So here we are going to type docs.google.com and then click on this blank document, and here you can see my document is created. Okay, now friend, here I'm going to give some prompt to write something for us so we get the idea. Okay, please write an article on animal elephant. Okay, so this is Gemini tool where you can easily give your prompt and it will automatically write content for you. Okay, so this is basic content over here. Okay, and you can see maybe this type of document, if maybe you have, then you can check it out how many words are available in doc. Okay, so what you will do, here you can simply click on this tools which is available on this menu bar. You simply click on it, and here friend you can see the second option, word count. Okay, you can also use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C and you will get this option. Okay, you simply click on it, and friend here you can see that this is word count pop-up is showing. Now friend, here you can see that we have 4 pages and 493 words are available, and with 3413 characters are available. So friend, by this way you can easily check how many words and characters are available into my document. So friend, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.